The story of Prophet Yusuf is one of the most beautiful and inspiring stories in the Islamic tradition. It teaches us valuable lessons in patience, trust in Allah, repentance, and forgiveness. Prophet Yaqub had 12 sons, and among them, Yusuf was his favorite due to his young age and the purity of his character. One day, Yusuf had a dream in which he saw 11 stars, the sun, and the moon prostrating to him. When he shared this dream with his father, Yaqub advised him to keep it a secret from his brothers, as they might become jealous. Yusuf's brothers, driven by jealousy, decided to get rid of him. They took him out to the wilderness under the pretense of going to tend the sheep and threw him into a deep well. They returned to their father with his shirt stained with false blood, claiming that a wolf had devoured him. A caravan passed by the well and found Yusuf. They took him to Egypt and sold him into slavery. He was bought by the high official of Egypt, known as Al-Aziz, the minister. Yusuf grew up in his household, and he was known for his beauty and good character. However, Al-Aziz's wife attempted to seduce him, but Yusuf resisted. She falsely accused him of wrongdoing, leading to his imprisonment. While in prison, Yusuf interpreted the dreams of two fellow inmates. Later, when the king of Egypt had a troubling dream about 7 fat cows being eaten by 7 lean cows, and 7 healthy ears of grain being consumed by 7 withered ears, Yusuf was called to interpret the king's dream and explain that Egypt would experience 7 years of plenty, followed by 7 years of famine. Impressed by his wisdom, the king appointed Yusuf as the official in charge of the storehouses of Egypt. Yusuf's management during the years of abundance ensured that Egypt had enough food during the years of famine. During the famine, Yusuf's brothers came to Egypt to buy food. They did not recognize him, but he recognized them. After some interaction, Yusuf invited his younger brother Benjamin to join him in Egypt. Yusuf secretly placed a royal cup in Benjamin's bag, accusing him of theft. When his brothers came back to Yusuf in distress, he revealed his identity. He forgave them for their past actions and reassured them of his mercy. Yusuf sent for his father Yaqub, and when Yaqub arrived in Egypt with his family, they were reunited in a joyful and emotional reunion. Yusuf's dream was fulfilled when his parents and brothers prostrated to him. If you enjoyed the story of Prophet Yusuf, don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring tales from the Qur'an. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.